Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. I'm Jessica J, and today we're going to do a home decor haul. So for those of you who don't know, we moved into our new house 9 months ago, so we're still trying to decorate. We're still trying to figure out like the spaces and what's appropriate for what and everything, and it's hard work, let me tell you guys. This is our first home, so we didn't really come here with a bunch of like decor items. So yeah, it's been a little bit of a challenge. I've been on Pinterest like crazy trying to figure out, you know, what I like and everything. So a lot of this stuff I accumulated over time. So let's just get started. So first thing, let me take this gun out because I know it's gonna irritate y'all. We'll just set it to the side. So first thing I'm gonna show you guys are these candlestick holders. They look like this. These are from Joann's. The Joann's in our area is going out of business. So my friend picked up these for me. How sweet is that? I had some on my Pinterest board, but they didn't have like, they weren't up like this, it was more flat. But these were such a good deal, and I like how they're from like my friends, so they have a little bit more sentimental value. So I love these, Jasmine, thank you. And then these little candlesticks I got from Amazon. So they light up like that. I love having candles lit, especially if I'm having company and like a little party at night, even though like right now there's really no partying going on, but I love having these. I keep these over there in the entryway. So yeah, super cute. Oh, I've got another item I need to show you guys by the entryway. I got this vase right here. It's huge. Well, it's not huge, but it's really big. I originally wanted a vase. It looks just like this, but it was smaller and more of a gold color. This is more of like a antique brass, but I should have gotten it, you guys. If you see something you really like, just get it, because I regret not getting it, because I was gonna get the bigger one and the smaller one. I had like a whole vision for it. I don't know why I didn't get it at the time, but they're sold out. I don't think Target's getting any more. I don't know if I mentioned that, but yeah, Target had them. So I got this from At Home. At Home is a really cool store. It's a humongous store. Just set aside some time, because it's gonna be a while you walk through that place. So yeah, so my plan for this is to add some pampas grass. I just need to order some. I saw some on CB2 that were a decent price, because some places were charging a crazy amount, like no. So from Hobby Lobby, I really wanted a tall, slim, and this needs to be cleaned. This is usually in my kitchen, so food probably gets splattered on here. But I got this from Hobby Lobby. It's such a good size. I love this. I keep faux eucalyptus in here, and I'll show you guys that in a second. But yes, I got this. I don't know how much it was, but you guys know you can use your coupons at Hobby Lobby. So it's just perfect. This is so like farmhouse-y to me, and it was a way for me to break up all the wood tone and gold. So next item, we can start with Target. So at Target, I actually picked up 6 stems, but I got 3 stems first, and for some reason they didn't carry any more for a while, and I picked up 3 more actually recently. So I bought these maybe in December, and then for some reason they didn't have any for the longest until like a few days ago. So I picked up 3 more, but I love this. This is from the Hearth and Hand collection at Target. And in my opinion, this is like the best looking faux eucalyptus stems that I've seen. I love the color. I love how it looks. Very realistic. So I'll show you guys how I have this. So I just put them in here, and I have this over in my kitchen on my island. So I did pick up 3 more. I don't know what I'm gonna do with those yet, but I just love these so much. I wanted to just grab some while I saw them, while they were in stock, so yes. Another item from the Hearth and Hand. By the way, I really love the Hearth and Hand collection. Super cute stuff over there. So I got this tray. It's wood and antique brass. I love this wood tone. I just absolutely love it. It kind of like bounces around all over my house. Well, really in the kitchen. Usually it's on my island with this, and I have like a candle next to it, and what else do I keep on this thing? A candle and like a vase, another vase, a smaller one. So I have it up like this on my island. I want to have like a whole coffee bar area set up, and I don't have that going on yet, but I was thinking about having that for the coffee bar area. I have no idea. I just love it so much, and it's getting its use in, so I'm happy about that. Okay, also from Target, I got this super cute. How cute is this utensil holder? And they still have this right now. They even have a matching, what is it, fruit bowl holder. And then I got these wooden utensils. Not this one I had already had. But these from World Market, you guys. I think these were $3.99 each. I think these are better, honestly, just for display because, you know, washing them and everything, they get kind of like loose and all. So I think I might just buy some new ones and just leave it for display. But that, I love that. I love the wood tone. I love the black, love the brass. All right, so the last thing from Target is this cutting board. I originally bought one and then I started to use it and I'm like, why am I using it? This thing is so pretty. It needs to be on display. So I went out and I bought another one. The only thing with these, each one has like its own variation of colors and you know, wood tones and everything. So I had to wait until I found the perfect one because they had a couple of them was just too dark for me and just looked weird, honestly. But this one's so beautiful. Look at that. I need to get another one. I just kind of have this sitting up on my counter up against the backsplash. So that's everything from, oh no, one more thing. I also got, it's so simple guys, but I just love it. It's this napkin or a paper towel holder, gold. And I think that's it from Target. All right, let's move on to Ross. This is gonna be quick. So I just got a couple of candle holders. I think that's what these are called, from Ross. I kind of wanted like some big candle holders for my area over here and other areas of the house for my housewarming. So I kind of wanted some candles lit, obviously fake ones because I don't trust people. So yeah, I just kind of wanted the vibe to be like a whole, I don't know, vibe. So I picked up two of these. I think this one was silver and I ended up spray painting it matte black. But as you can see, it's a pretty good size. And I love this. I kind of just have this sitting on the bench right now over there, and I feel like it looks really good. I want to get a pillow and have the pillow behind it, and then this in front. And then at night, just you light it. These are from Costco. Came in like a 5-pack, I think. Yeah, these are nice. And then in this one, I just have one of these small ones in here. So at, what is it? Marshall's. I really needed champagne glass. No, I have champagne glasses. I really needed wine glasses. I don't have any type of wine glasses. And I don't drink a whole lot, but you know, it's nice to have a nice wine glass. You invite a friend over, have some wine with your husband or significant other. And I didn't have any, so I've been on the hunt for a wine glass. And I don't know, I'm kind of, even though I don't drink wine like that, I'm just kind of like picky on how the glass look. But I feel like I found the perfect ones. I picked up these. How sexy is this glass, you guys? Seriously, how sexy is that? But I picked up these. They're huge. I think they're 23 ounces. These are red wine glasses. So now I'm like, dang, do I need white wine glasses now too? I don't know. Do you guys use different glasses depending on the wine that you're drinking? Like, do you drink white wine glasses for your white wine? Comment down below because I didn't even really know that was a thing. That's how much I'm like, I don't know about my wines. Let me show you guys the brand. I just picked these up recently, so they might have more at your local Marshall's. So here's the brand right here. This box was only $12.99, you guys. So I picked up 2 just in case I have like a wine night, invite some girls over. It's not gonna be anytime soon, but obviously when things get better, we'll be ready to go. So another thing I picked up, another glass I picked up from Marshall's are these coffee mugs. Guys, I'm a coffee drinker. I also drink tea. So let me show you my other glasses I picked up. Now that I'm thinking about it, let me just show you guys. Okay, so for my coffee bar area, I was gonna have some coffee mugs like on display, but I don't think I'm gonna do that anymore. So I was kind of thinking, you know, with the whole vibe, what I want. I don't know why I didn't have these out because I kind of bought this along with everything else. But I got these mugs from CB2. Love them, love them. I might get the rest of those just because they're super cute. But I also like these. I picked these up from Marshall's. And what's special about these is that it's double walled, so it keeps your drink hot for a while. And that's what I love about these glasses. I used to have to heat up my coffee in these like 3 times before finishing it. These, but it keeps it hot for so much longer. So these right here, it came in a 4-pack. If you guys see these at Marshall's, try them out. If you're a coffee drinker or a tea drinker, you will love those. Okay, let's move on to HomeGoods. I got some coasters. I got 2 different ones. I wish they had these again, you guys. I love these so much. I only have 3 now though because my son threw the other one down and it broke. But I love these so much. And I also picked up some marble looking ones. There you go, you can kind of see it. More wood for you guys. So I found this one and just had to have it. I think this was like 20 bucks from HomeGoods. It's food safe. So this is our fruit bowl. I keep our fruit in here and it's like on display on the counter in the kitchen. Love this. Now I'm just gonna have to grab the camera and show you everything else I got from HomeGoods. This pot right here is from At Home. It's a pretty good size. And then I got this fiddle leaf, is that what it's called? So yeah, I got this tree from QVC actually. This tree is really expensive online. I've seen it for like up to like $200 and something. So I got this for under $100 on QVC and it was my first time ordering, so I got a $10 off coupon. More wood tone, you guys, more wood tone. How cute. Like, that bench needs a moment just by itself. How cute is this bench, you guys? See, this is what I was talking about. Can't wait to get like a pillow right here and set this there, have that lit, and then it's gonna be a whole like moment on this wall. I'm gonna actually do a video of that very soon. I guess while we're over here, I can talk about this rug. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it. I feel like, I don't know, is it okay being this size, or do you guys feel like it should come out to here? I'm not sure. But yeah, this jute rug is from Ross. It was super duper affordable, you guys. I love it, love it, love it, love it. How freaking adorable is this thing? You guys have no idea how, I've been on the hunt for something like this, and these things can get pricey. So I was so excited to find this at HomeGoods. HomeGoods always has a really good deal. I did change the knobs out to these. I got these knobs from Amazon. They were black, no, they were silver knobs before. Love it, love it, love it. I think this is made in India or Indonesia, I forgot, but it's just so beautiful. I absolutely love this. Also, you guys, this mirror on the West Elm website is like $500, or actually I think it's $400. I got this for, I want to say $150 or $179, like half the price, you guys. And it's a really good size, so I was so happy to find this because I was willing to pay that for this mirror. Absolutely love it. It's so beautiful. Yes. So I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. If you guys like these kind of videos, definitely give this video a thumbs up. It helps me out so much, and don't forget to subscribe to see more videos, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram, you guys. I've been posting a lot more lately. My name on there is MyJessicaJ, so I'll have a link down below for that as well. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.